Hello everybody. We're out here today. Got a new wheel cleaner I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try a bunch of different wheel cleaners, all the top ones, and see which one I like the best. I have a problem with the ceramic rotors where it turns like orangey, and so when you hit your brakes it blows out. So oftentimes I clean the car and then I come back around after the fact and clean the wheels again. So it's like with some quick detailer or something. But anyway, today we are going to try one I'm super excited about. P&S Brake Buster. So we're going to try it and see what we think about it. Super excited about this. All right, here we go. All right. Allow us to sit for 1 minute, it says, or greater. Scrub if necessary. It's going to be necessary. It's always necessary. So, alright. Now in my bucket I do not have P&S Brake Buster in there, but I do have my soap that I use to wash the car with. I can tell the stuff's looking pretty good. It feels really slick. Alright, do want to try the spray this on my tires one more time. I just want to see if it'll brown without mixing it. Just want to see. No browning, okay, so it doesn't brown. Alright, let's spray her down. Alright. Let's see what she looks like. Okay. Let's see what we got going on. So it looks like it did pretty good. Inside those barrels right there, not so good. Alright guys, don't know how I feel about this one. I would like to try it out in the foam cannon though, just to see what the difference would be. Alright, so it looks like it did a decent job. Maybe I need a better tool to get in there. Maybe that's the issue. I don't really see too much of it anywhere else. Yeah. Looks like it did decent. So what does that? All right, guys, P&S Brake Buster. I think I like Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner better, but I do want to try it in a foam cannon, so we'll see. But I do have 2 more I'm going to try out. But in the meantime, if you like the video, like it anyway. If you don't, like it and subscribe, please. Till next time, guys. See ya.